Hello, and welcome back to the English Cast. I'm Ryan.
Hi everyone, I'm Emma, and we're very happy to have you with us today.
How has your morning been, Emma?
It's been really nice, actually. I walked down to that new bakery on the corner and got a fresh coffee and a pastry.
Oh, I've been wanting to go there. Did you have to wait in a long line?
It was a little crowded, but the line moved fast. The only thing is, the coffee was too hot to drink right away, so I had to walk around the park for a few minutes while it cooled down.
Yeah. Too hot to drink is a phrase many learners struggle with. It causes a surprising amount of confusion.
Really? It feels like such a simple daily phrase.
It is, but the word too tricks people. I was talking to a student yesterday and he was describing a wonderful dessert he had at a party. He smiled and said, "The cake was too delicious."
I hear that exact mistake all the time. People use the word too when they really mean very or so.
Exactly. And that is what we are going to clear up today. The words too, very, and so all exist to make a describing word stronger, but they do it in completely different ways.
They really change the entire feeling of your sentence.
Let's start with very and so because they are the most similar. Both of them just mean a high amount.
Right. If I say, the book is very good, it just means it is a highly good book. It is a simple fact.
Very is perfect for giving standard information. It is clean, objective, and polite. You can use it in a formal work email or a casual chat.
You can say, the train is very fast, or the museum is very big. You are just stating facts.
But when we switch to the word so, we add personal emotion. So shows that you feel strongly about what you are saying.
If I get a promotion at work, I won't just say, I am very happy. I will smile and say, I am so happy.
You are sharing your personal feeling with the listener. If you are walking on a beautiful beach, you look at the water and say, "It is so beautiful today."
It feels much warmer and more human than just saying, it is very beautiful.
Exactly. Very is for facts, and so is for feelings. It brings energy to your spoken English.
But then we have the word too. This is the one that really trips people up.
Yes, many learners think too just means very, very. They think it is the absolute highest level of a compliment.
Let me give you a wrong sentence. Imagine I am at a clothing store trying on a nice dress. I say, I am going to buy this dress because it is too beautiful.
Right. That is the classic mistake. If you want to buy it, there is no problem. You should say, "It is so beautiful." Why does too beautiful sound wrong there? Because in English, too means a negative amount. It means there is a problem, and it usually stops you from doing something.
Ah, I see. It means more than you want or more than you need.
Exactly. Going back to your morning coffee, you said it was too hot to drink.
The high heat was a problem. It stopped me from drinking it immediately.
If you said, "The coffee is very hot," you could still drink it. But too hot means the action is blocked.
So, back to my dress example. If I use too, it needs to be a problem that stops me.
Yes. You would look at the price tag and say, "I cannot buy this dress because it is too expensive."
The high price stops me from buying it. That makes perfect sense.
You never want to use too as a compliment. You shouldn't tell a friend, "Your house is too nice."
They might wonder why their nice house is a problem for me. I should just say, Your house is so nice.
Exactly. There is a really common pattern we use with to in daily life. We pair it with a basic action to show exactly what is stopped.
Like my coffee. Too hot to drink. We use to, then the describing word, and then the action.
This suitcase is too heavy to carry. The weight stops the carrying.
I am too tired to go to the gym. The tiredness stops the workout.
It is a simple formula that instantly communicates a boundary. But when we use so, we use a different pattern. We use so with the word that to show a natural result.
I was so tired that I fell asleep early.
Falling asleep is just the natural result of your strong feeling of tiredness. It is not a blocked action.
The movie was so funny that I cried. The crying is the result of the strong emotion.
That pattern makes your spoken English sound incredibly fluid. We also see a big difference when we pair these words with quantities like much and many.
Oh, like saying so much versus too much.
Yes. If you say to a friend, "Thank you so much," it is a strong, positive emotion of gratitude.
But if you go to a dinner party and say, I ate too much, it means the amount is a problem. You feel completely full and uncomfortable.
It is the exact same logic. So is a feeling, and to is a problem. Let's listen to how these words flow in some short, everyday conversations. We can start with a restaurant.
How is your soup?
It's very good, but the bowl is too big for me to finish.
You can take the rest home. I'm so full that I can't eat another bite either.
You can hear the differences right there. Very good is a simple fact about the soup's flavor.
Then you used too big. The size was a problem that stopped you from finishing the meal.
And you used so full. You shared your physical feeling, and the result was that you couldn't eat more. Let's try a travel scene. We are packing suitcases for a trip.
Are you bringing that thick wool jacket on the trip?
No, the weather there is very warm right now. That jacket is too thick.
Good idea. I am so excited for the sunshine.
I used very warm as a basic fact about our destination.
And you used too thick because the jacket's thickness was a problem for a warm place. It stopped you from packing it.
Then you used so excited to share your strong, positive anticipation. Let's do one more situation. We are shopping for a new sofa for the living room.
I really like this gray sofa. It is so soft.
It is very comfortable, but look at the length. It is too long for our living room.
You're right. It won't fit. We need to find a smaller one.
You started with a positive feeling. So soft.
You agreed with the fact. Very comfortable. But then you found the problem.
Too long. The length stopped us from buying it because it wouldn't fit in the room.
It is amazing how much clear information those tiny words carry in a real conversation.
They really do. There is a small nuance native speakers use with so in daily life that is very helpful to know. We often use it to sound friendly and polite when we're apologizing.
Oh, like when we have to say no to an invitation from a friend.
Right? If you just say, "I am very sorry, I am busy," it sounds a little bit cold and distant.
It sounds like a business email.
But if you say, "I am so sorry, I am so busy this week," it sounds much warmer.
It shows you genuinely care and feel bad about missing the event.
It is a great way to soften a negative answer. Also, when native speakers talk fast, We often stretch the word so to show even more emotion.
Yes, we drag out the vowel sound. You will hear people say, I am so tired.
Or, I am so hungry. It really emphasizes the feeling without needing any extra vocabulary words.
Let's do a quick, clear summary so listeners can use these words confidently today.
Use very for facts and information. It is standard, clean, and polite. The car is very fast.
Use so for strong feelings and emotions. It adds warmth to your sentence. I am so happy to be here.
Use to when there is a negative problem. It means more than you need, and it stops an action. The shoes are too small to wear.
Just remember to keep to away from your compliments and your English will be perfectly clear.
All right, that brings us to the end of today's episode. We hope this conversation helped make English feel clearer and more natural for you in everyday situations.
Remember, progress comes from small daily practice.
If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the English Cast so you don't miss the next one.
And as always, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep connecting. Thanks for spending your time with us. We'll see you in the next episode.